Okay, Dilmi, you can give reading now. Sure.
Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. At this time, I join here to make a speech. My pet. I have a pet cat. Her name is Kitty. She looks very beautiful. She has green eyes and white fur. Kitty is very neat and clean. She plays with me. She loves milk and fish. She is very brave. Uh, I love my kitty very much.
Okay.
But when I am speaking, there can be mistakes. So please excuse me. Uh, Wishing you a happy day. I remain. Thank you.
Very good. And the mistakes are inevitable in speaking. I like that because you are doing mistakes means you are trying. Mistakes කරනවා කියනවා උත්සාහ කරනවා කියන එක good හොඳ ලක්ෂණයක්. ඒක appreciable ලක්ෂණයක්. අගය කළ යුතු ලක්ෂණයක්.
සර්
Yes.
සර් මම දැනුයි ජොයින් වුණේ මොකද්ද සර් කරන්නේ?
මේ කසුන් අකලංක කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද මේ
යනුලි සර්.
යනුලි නේද? යනුලි ආකර්ෂා නේද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. අද පුතේ දැන් මේ කට්ටිය අඩුයිනේ මම අර ක්ලාස් එක කරන්න නෙමෙයි හිටියේ මේ කරන්ට් එක ගියා no power. දැන් මේ ආයි කරන්ට් එක ආපු ගමන් පටන් ගත්තා. ආයි කොයි වෙලාවෙ ආයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ නිසා රීඩින් ගන්න බැරි වෙයි. හොඳේ? So දැන් hand raise කරන පිළිවෙලට රීඩින් ගන්නවා.
Thank you sir.
Okay පුතා welcome. දුලක්ෂිකා now is up to you. You can start. message එකක් එවන්න පුළුවන්. hand raise කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Excuse me sir. මම list එකට දාගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Sure. Dilakshika, start.
This book looks interesting.
Start.
Sir,
Continue.
this book looks interesting. Yes. Why don't you borrow it? Please stop talking. This is a library. You have to be silent here. Oh, we are sorry. I would like to borrow this book. I am sorry. You can't borrow this book. You have to read it in the library. That's all right. I will read it here. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next chance goes to Adisha Sigera.
A very long time ago, all the animals who had tails met together. Each animal made up its mind how it would use its tail. I shall use mine to keep away flies, said the cow. Quite right, said the horse, who liked to agree with the cow. I shall do the same with my tail. I shall wag mine to show that I am pleased, said the dog. Then I shall wag mine when I am angry, said the cat, who would never agree with the dog. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay, now after Adisha, Irushi Shigera. Irushi.
Snow White was making the bed. This time the door was open a little and Snow White saw a woman with some apples. A beautiful apple for a beautiful girl, said the woman. Snow White went to the woman and took an apple. As soon as Snow White bit the apple, she fell and died. When the doors came back, they tried to help her, but it was too late. Snow White could not be working. The rest were very sad. Finish.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Methiru. Methiru, you can start Methiru.
Sir,
Yes, you can start with that reading.
Sir,
It's I can hear. Start.
sir, අර ටියුට් එකෙන් රීඩින් දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ඕන එකකින් from anywhere. ඕන තරකින් දෙන්න පුතේ ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. No matter.
I'm Patum. My class is grade 6E. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lots of colorful pictures and charts. There is big blackboard and teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color, and there is a steel cupboard in the corner of the room. There is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard. There is no ceiling fan, but there are two big windows. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Reading
Pupa.
දුන්න කට්ටිය ලිව් වෙන්න බලන්න.
අදිශ next time chance එක ගන්න නැත්නම් ලිව් වෙන්න පුළුවන් අදිශ. Right.
Thank you.
Okay අදිශ. Very good. Next chance පුතේ මෙත්තිරු නේද දැන් කිව්වේ? Okay. After මෙත්තිරු දැහැමි සත්සරණි. දැහැමි ආයුධය. දැහැමි සත්සරණි. Yes, you are there. දැහැමි, you can start දැහැමි. දැහැමි සත්සරණි. You can start.
I can't hear you.
Sorry පුතා. දැහැමි පුතේ start කරන්න. Okay, දැහැමි chance එක ගන්න නැත්නම් පුතේ මම ඊළඟට ඉන්න කෙනාට chance එක දීලා ආපහු දැහැමිට chance එකක දෙන්නම්. Next ඉන්නේ after දැහැමි තරුෂ. තරුෂ ගවේෂා.
Teacher,
Yeah, තරුෂ start.
with Peter and Jane, the boy and the girl in the shop are our friends. Peter and Jane, they have come to buy some toys. Peter, there are many toys in the shop, and the children take some time to find that they want. The man in the shop helps them. He finds a skipping rope for Jane and a long rope for Peter. Then Peter tells him that he wants a gun. As the man goes to get a gun, Peter and his sister look at the balloons. Jane takes red, white, yellow, and green balloons from the box. We will have a day, she says. They look at the books next. Peter has the book about trade, and Jane finds at the scrapbook she wants to just fix scrapbook. The man comes back. He has found a gun. Thank you, says Peter as he gives the man his money. The children go home with their toys. Jane has the balloons, the skipping rope, and the scrapbook. Peter has his long rope, his book, and the gun. Finish, teacher.
Okay, Tarusha, very good. Tarusha, get me. Next, Dahami. Dahami, can you hear? Okay. Until Dahami makes it okay, Yanuli, you can start. Yanuli,
Oh, sir.
you can start.
I am Pubudu Pereira. I am in grade 6. I like gardening and reading books in my free time. I have a small garden in my home. There are different types of vegetables and fruits in my garden. I work in the garden with my mother and father. Finish, sir.
Okay, Buta, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Litum. Situm, are you going to give reading together? Are you three of you? Tundra එක reading දෙන්නේද? නෑ නෑ මම වීලුවට ඇහුවා මම දාන්න ඔයගලම. නෑ නෑ මම වීලුවට දැම්මේ. ඇහුවේ. මං ඉන්නවා ඊළඟට ඔයගොල්ලෝ. තා චුට්ටකින් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නේ. Now Litum. Litum you can start. ලිතුම්ගේ අර ප්‍රශ්නේ ඇති නේද? ලිතුම්ගේ මයික් එක ඉෂුස් ලාද? මං හිතන්නේ එහෙමද කොහෙද? හරි. ලිතුම් හදාගත්තොත් ඔය මයික් එකේ ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. ලිතුම් ඉන්නව නේද? හරි. Kavindi. Is she here? Kavindi? Oh, Kavindi? No. Then, Sidum, you can start Sidum now.
Okay, sir. This occasion was the biggest occasion of my life. I spent much of the time reading books and gardening. During this occasion, there was much of use of the phone because all our academic work was done online because school were closed. I helped my mother to clean the houses and the garden and watched many cartoons. I think we all must work hard and help our president to save a country, Sri Lanka, from this COVID-19 pandemic. I spent this lockdown happily. Finish, sir.
Okay, පුතා. පුතේ second time එක reading දෙන කට්ටිය දෙම message දාන්න ගන්න. ඒතර ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දෙනවා chance එක. Now Roviru. Roviru. Okay, පුතා. Now next chance goes to Mihin. Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, now next chance goes to Dehami. Dehami, can you hear me, Dehami, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can start.
Hello, I am Jenny. Hello, my name is Jenny Bell, and this is Sneak. He's my brother. He's 12. Jenny's my sister. She's 9. I'm not. I'm 11. We are from Merton, near London. And this is Chip. He's a good dog. And what is your name? Where are you from? This is Trick, a very special friend. He's a frog. He's from Merton. He's from San Travel.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes to Adisha Roop Singer. Hari, දාපු ඔක්කොටම මම දාලා තියෙන names එව්ව ඔක්කොම මම දැම්මා. Adish Rupa Singh. Start.
My ambition is become a doctor. A doctor is a person who makes people feel better. It is hard to become a doctor as you have to work hard and pass difficult examinations. Doctors work hospital every day. They see sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their sickness and work very hard. My father and mother are both doctors. I think a doctor profession is one of the best professions.
Okay, පුතා. Very good. Okay. මට එක ළමයෙක් කියලා මේ අපේ පැත්තට කරන්ට් එක ආවා කියලා මම දැම්මා ළමයි ආයි යන්න නම් දෙන්නෙම දුරටක් ගලව වහන්න කියලා යන්න කලින්. Okay, next chance goes to Dilmi.
Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel lived with their father and stepmother in a little house near a wood. Their father was a woodcutter and he was very poor. They were all very hungry. One day Hansel and Gretel's father said, "We have no money left. There is no more food for us to eat." "Then Hansel and Gretel cannot live here," said their stepmother. "We must leave them in the middle of the wood." "No," said their father. But their stepmother said, "We must." Hansel and Gretel were listening at the door. "I have a plan," said Hansel, and he went out to get some pebbles. The next day they all went into the wood. Hansel dropped pebbles on the path. "Wait here," said their father. "We are going to collect wood." Hansel and Gretel waited all day. Then they followed the pebbles back home. The woodcutter was glad to see Hansel and Gretel, but their stepmother was angry. "There was no enough food for us all," she said. "We must take Hansel and Gretel deeper into the wood." "No," said father. "I can't do that. We must," said their stepmother. This time they must not find there was home. Hansel's stepmother locked the door, said that Hansel couldn't get out. He could collect pebbles. The next day they all went deep into the wood. This time Hansel dropped breadcrumbs on the path. "Wait here," said their father. "We are going to collect wood." Hansel and Gretel waited all day. Then they looked for the breadcrumbs on the path. But the birds had eaten all the breadcrumbs. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Yenuli Akarsha. Yenuli.
Oh, sir.
Start.
My favorite book. My favorite story book is Madol Dua. It is a novel written by the famous writer Martin Wickramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things and often get into trouble. But later Upali becomes a kind hardworking young man who helps people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, welcome and very good. Huh? Okay, next chance goes to Dulakshika. Dulakshika.
Teacher, I have solved all the sums. Bring your book, please. Teacher, I have finished them too. Please stand in quick and wait for your turn. Excuse me, teacher. May I go out to drink some water? Yes, you may. Please be silent and stand up for religious observance. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, welcome. Net me, Shidya. Net me. No. Okay, then Sidum. Situm, can you hear Situm?
Okay, sir. My ambition is to become a doctor. A doctor is a person who makes people feel better. It is hard to become a doctor was you have to network hard and pass difficult examination. Doctors work in hospitals. Every day they see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their illness and work very hard. My father and mother are both doctors. I think a doctor's profession is one of the best professions. So finish. So
Okay,
finish.
okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Ruviru. Ruviru. පුතේ අනේ රුයිරු වා කියනවා හෙනවා ක්ලියර් මදිනේ බලන්න මොකද කියලා.
We give dialogue.
Okay, now good.
Hello, Budu. Did you watch the finale of Children Can Sing on TV yesterday? Yes, I did. All my they are quite a large audition actors. So they are. Yeah. Audience, we already clapping when was yes, they must have wished all along that he was going to be the winner. Yes, the orchestra were all talented. They did a wonderful job. Finish, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Mihin. Mihin, you can start Mihin.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
රුවිරු සහ මිහින් තමා කිව්වේ මේ ඩයලොග් එක.
Okay, very good, Hari. Now your chance, Dhami. Where are you? You can start, Dhami.
My pet name is Teddy. He's very beautiful. His color is light brown. He's very friendly with me. Now the rain time, he's going to his bed and he's sleeping. I'm going to the shop. He's following me. He loves me. I love him.
Okay, Imaya, you can start. Imaya, you can start, Imaya.
Sir,
Yes, Yenuli.
sir අර පේපර් එකක් දීලා තිබ්බ නේද?
Oh.
ඒ පේපර් එක සර් කවදද ගෙනත් දෙන්න ඕනේ?
පුළුවන් තරම් ඉක්මනට කරලා ගේන්න කමන්නේ පුතේ.
Thank you sir.
ඒක not sure. අම්මා හෝ තාත්තා ළඟ ඉඳි කරන්න ඕනි. කරලා අත්සන් කරලා ඒගොල්ලෝ තනියෙන් කරේ කියලා ගෙනත් දෙන්න. ඒක දැනුම චෙක් කරන්න විතරයි. ඒක විභාගයක් කියලා ලොකු දෙයක් නෙමෙයි අපිට නිකන් අද තියෙන දැනුම චෙක් කරගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපි අඩුපාඩු හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් එතකොට ළමයිගේ. හරි. Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Next. Okay, පුතා welcome. Imaya. Okay. Dahami.
Sir.
Yes, Imaya, you can start.
Okay sir. Trees are our friends because they give us medicine, shelter, food and rain. We take their time and make trees give us oxygen. We build house using trees. Trees beautifully environment. They give us cool breezy when we think about all these things. We find trees are useful and they are our friends. Finished, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, sure. Next chance goes to Adish. Not Adish, Adish. Adish.
I shall use mine to keep my back warm in winter time, said the squirrel. I shall swing from branch to branch with mine, said the monkey. I shall spread mine out to show what bright colors it has, said the peacock. I shall bob mine up like a little white flag to show when danger is near, said the rabbit. I shall use mine as an extra leg to help me to jump, said the kangaroo. I shall steer myself through the water with mine, said the fish. The tadpole did not know what to do. This his little tail. When I become a frog, I shall not need it all at all, he said. I shall. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, welcome. Now, Irusha Sigara.
It has 3 lines on its back. It comes to eat fruit in our garden. It is an insect. It is small and green. It has 2 antennae. It collects nectar from flowers. It lives in a cave. It has no legs. It lives in the soil. It has wings. It can fly. It has a beak. It has a green body. It jumps high up. It lives in a pond.
Okay, next chance goes to Luthira. But not Luthira, Litum, but Litum has some matter with the mic. So Tarusha get means not like mean. Gaveshan.
Excuse me, sir. Can I speak now?
Sure, Tarusha Gaveshan. You can start.
Peter and Jane show their friends the thing they have about. First, they look at the balloons, then the scrapbook and the book about train. The two girls used to skipping rope and the two boys play with a gun. Jane can skip very well. She skips quickly. Then her friend has a turn. She can skip quickly too. Peter has the gun. He shows his friend. So it shoots. There is no danger. The gun shoots a little with a ball. It shoots a long way. First, Peter shoots with the gun, and then his friend has a turn. I am glad you about this, Peter, he says. So finish.
Okay, Pita, very good. Okay. Metucha, you can start. Metuja, you can start Metuja.
There was rabbit. It is on my. Its name was Bunny. He his birthday all asked where's the money. He got a lot of present. His friend played what him, but he didn't share his new toys with time. Thank you.
Okay, Pita, welcome. Next chance goes to Imaya. No, it's before that we are leaving today. Not
So I'm here.
okay, Maya, you can start. Ah, yeah, he is here.
Okay, sir. Hey, sir. My classroom is at the Mahavidyalaya. There are classes from grade 1 to 13. I am in grade 8. My classroom is big and square shaped. The always in my classroom are white. There is a beautiful fish tank. There are many small fish in it. There are also book racks, teachers' table, chairs, table, a door and window. We have pasted many directors on the wall, a blackboard, a clock, a calendar, and the timetable hangs on the wall. We always keep your classroom beautiful and clean. Finish, sir.
Okay, Pita, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to. Okay, who wants to dance next? Then Cardoni. Is there anyone who wants a chance again? Okay. Mama hands tikai danawa down. දාලා බලනවා කාටද ඊට පස්සේ ආයෙ රේස් වෙන්නේ කියලා බලමු. Right, again raise the hands, then I can give you a chance. Okay, Dulakshika, we can start. You are the first one. Dulakshika.
Tourist, excuse me, where is the National Museum? Sandaru, it's in the main street. Tourist, how can I go to the main street? Sandaru, go along and road and turn left. It's the main
is a park on your right. Next to the park is the museum. It is between the park and the art gallery. You can find it easily. Tourists, thank you very much. Sandaru, you're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Adisha.
A very long time ago, all the animals who had tails met together. Each animal made up its mind how it would use its tail. I shall use mine to keep away flies, said the cow. Quite right, said the horse, who liked to agree with the cow. I shall do the same with my tail. Shall wag mine to show what I am pleased, said the dog. Thank you.
Okay, okay, Vita.
Even
Irushi, can you start, Irushi?
notice the 50th birthday of our schools is in July. We will celebrate it on 31st July. We will make a donation to a children's home. We collect school supplies for it. Please bring books, pencils, and school bags. We will donate them and celebrate our birthday. Contact your class prefect for more details. Junior prefect's guide. Finish.
Okay, Vita, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Manuga. Manuga, if you want, you can give reading. Manuga. Manuga join වුණා විතරයි නේද? But ඔයාට ඕන නම් reading දෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. Okay, until Manuga gets ready, Situm, you can start.
Mama,
Yes.
the national bird is the jungle plover. Will the national animal is the squirrel. And the game is volleyball. There are many historical places in Sri Lanka. The longest river is the Mahavali and the highest mountain is Tiruthalagara. There are many waterfalls, lakes, rivers, gardens, beaches, and mountains to which foreigners attracted. The beautiful waterfalls, Dunhida and Dialuma, are great gifts given by nature. My country is very beautiful and clean. The finish.
Okay, Vita, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Ruviru.
Last Sunday, I went to the fair with my aunt. The place was crowded with men, women, and children. The fair was filled with all kinds of things. There were fruit, vegetables, clothes, toys, and many others. Everybody was either buying or selling something. My aunt bought some vegetables and fruit while I bought petrol for a blue pencil box and some candy floss. While I was there, I also met Karim, my best friend from primary school.
Okay, Vita, very good. Next chance goes to Mihin. Mihin.
Many of us are usually fortunate enough to find out early in life what we are really good at and make a success of it. Whereas implied by the popular saying, you do not know what you can do till you try. Some people fail to discover their true potential. A child, for example, may just sit somewhere with a box of crayons beside him, but he will never be able to find out if he has the makings of an artist until he starts working with crayons. Finish. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, welcome. Okay, next chance goes to Dehami. Dehami, you can start. Dehami. Okay, until Dehami gets ready. Imaya, you can start.
Sir,
Yes, you can start.
having another class. I had to be brave. I had to be brave because I got lost in dense jungle. At first, I was walking through healthier pages. Next, I realized that I was lost in the woods. It was gloomy and dark. I was walking. The animals screamed and levels whistling made me feel a little cold. Finish, sir. Sir?
Buddha, very good, Buddha. Okay, very good. Imaya. Next chance
Okay,
goes
sir.
to Buddha. Metuja. Metuja Sandira, if you want, you can start. Onna chance එක ගන්න මෙතුජ. නැත්නම් මට වෙරකේට දෙනවා. Okay, Dehami, you can start, Dehami. You can start, Dehami.
The boy with no home, mother, and no father. He went about the world doing odd jobs here and there. Earning a penny one day to fence the next, and maybe nothing the day after. He was often very lonely. He sometimes looked into windows at night time when the lamps were lit and wished he had a first home where there was someone who loved him. Never mind, he said to himself. One day I'll find someone who loves me and then I can love them back. And there we have a nice little home together. One week, Penny found it very hard to get well.
Okay, finish your what, Dehami? Dehami, finished? Okay, Dehami is not here. Something has happened. Ravindu, you can do reading if you want. Ravindu, are reading the diploma on Napude. Okay, next chance goes to. Okay, Mama, I hands down karnawa. It's I raise kala balum. Right, press the hands again. I raise kala. Okay, Sidum, you can start.
Okay, sir. Myself, I am Sithum. I study in grade 6 at Central College. My my mother is be a doctor. I like to become an
Mhm. Become an engineer? What? Okay, next chance goes to Ruviru.
Computer and everything else we use are good. They are job. It is the duty of manufacturers to produce goods to meet the needs of people. These goods are sold to consumers and profit earned by the seller. Finished, sir.
Okay, Vita, very good. Now next chance goes to Mihin.
Several people have for example,
yes,
Okay, Vita, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Dulakshika.
Hey, don't put that pen is Hey, don't put that pen in your mouth. Why can't I? This is my new pen. No, it's not. That's my black pen and those are my color pencils too. Oh well, these are not yours. These color pencils are mine. No, those color pencils are mine and that pen is also mine. No, they are mine. Don't shout. Let's not fight about this. All right. Let me see in this yours. Does it your have your name on it? No, it doesn't. Then this is my pen and those are my color pencils. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag. Let me see. Yes, they are here. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. As now everyone has got chances, last chance is given for all, and then we are finishing. Okay, Sidhu, you can start, Sidhu.
okay, sir. Trees. Trees are our friends because they give us medicine, shelter, food, and rain. We take their timber and make furniture. Trees give us oxygen. We build houses using trees. Trees beautify the environment. They give us cool breeze. When we think about all these things, we find trees are useful and they are our friends. Sir, finish.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Ruiru. Ruiru, you can start, Ruiru. Okay. Now Mihin, you can have the chance, Mihin.
My ambition is to it is as you have to work hard and pass difficult examinations. Doctor work in hospitals. Every day they see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their sickness and work very hard. My father and mother are both doctors. I think a doctor's profession is one of the best professions. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sure. Durakshika.
I am Patu. My class is grade 6E. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lots of beautiful pictures and chats. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color, and there is a steel cupboard in the corner for the room. There is wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard. There is no ceiling fan, but here there are two big windows. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, welcome. Okay, Litum, you want a chance or not? Litum, the chance to call in the Litum. Litum, the band name, I kiss you that money. Hari, and the other not more. And I'm by see next element, but that we can chance of someone only we no. Take the 90, only few. Bye. See you next element. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Okay.
Night, sir.
Okay, bye.